Hi there. Okay, got it. I've been making some changes, was trying to make sure that everything was going to be working well because it was giving me a little bit of a moment, but we are all together and set to go now. So hi everyone, it's me, Mila Rose. I hope you're having a wonderful month of, well, it'll be September, but August. Can you believe already going to be September? It's already almost the third quarter of the year. So we have a extra video that we're going to be doing today. We were given some money from the parents, and so I'm going to put that money away now, and I'm going to walk you through my process of what I do when I get extra money. So let's go ahead and get started because we don't necessarily have anywhere. I don't even know why I have my planner out because I don't really have anything to put that money away into my planner, but let's see where we started, right? Okay, so here's my usual budget. So this is where I broke things down. So I was looking at overall, this was the amount I got. It's about $1,000. I put away $250 into the Chase Visa, and then I did $250. Well, that's what I was going to start with, and then I was like, that's not even equaling out the way I wanted to. So then I was like, well, what about for savings? So I knew I wanted to do $250 towards saving, to like just split it up easily. $250, $250, $250, $250. So then I came over here, and this is where I actually decided where I was going to put what money. So $215 actually is going to a Visa payment. $100 will be going to debt envelopes. $61 will be going to balance out my checking account. I had to buy. Well, I didn't have to buy, but I like to buy in bulk, and I like to make sure that I have extras on hand. So I went ahead and put $100 towards beauty so I can get some skincare products and things like that, so that when I ran out, I wouldn't have to be rushing to get more. And it was about time for me to go ahead and re-up on some of my products. And I use the same products. I have pretty much got my skincare routine down packed. I don't anticipate that changing unless the products change or something like that. So I knew I needed to go ahead and buy some of those. I did $100 for cleaning because I always like to buy extra cleaning products or just like stuff for the house, so that I could get a bulk order of toilet paper, of paper towels, of cleaning things. So then again, these are stuff that like you're gonna have to buy. So I might as well take some of this extra money, buy that stuff for the house, so that it helps me to get ahead, so that I can kind of re-budget my envelopes that I put aside each paycheck to pay for these types of household products. And then I did $50 towards car because I'm really wanting to move away from washing my car through like the little car wash thing. I pay a $15 flat fee to be able to take it through the car wash whenever I feel like it. But I keep reading up about how harsh those are, like the drive-through ones, how harsh they are on your car's paint, how they can scratch your car and all these other things. And my car's paid off, but it's 6 years. No, it's older than that because it's a 2016, I think. No, is it a 2016? I think it is. Yeah, so it's like 6 years old. Yeah, it's about 6 years old. So, in fact, it'll be 6 years old exactly in October. So, yeah, I need to take care of my car. I haven't hit 100,000 miles yet or anything like that, but like I need to take care of it. If I want it to look nice, it's paid off. I want to keep it for a while and keep it running. I got to take care of it. So I really want to be gentle with it and make sure I'm putting that time and effort into it, which means doing things that will maintain it. And then I want to put $250 towards saving, and then I gave some money, whatever was left over, for myself for personal. So I went ahead and pulled out some, because some of these were things that I could just pay for through my debit card or my credit card and then pay it off so I could get those points. So I pulled out $100 for debt envelopes. I pulled out $61 to balance out my checking and $250 for savings. And so the total of that is going to come out to $411. So that should be how much I have here. I'm not actually sure if that's correct, but I do know I have the right amount for each one that I want to do. I'm going to go ahead and put this away so we can do a quick money count. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 110, and 11. Yes, 411, as I mentioned. So I probably will end up splitting this up into separate videos, but we'll see, just seeing how long it takes to do each one of these. So we're doing, let me get my paperwork out because I want to make sure I'm right. So we're doing $100 to debt envelopes. So that's 20, 40, 60, 81. We're doing 61 to balance out my checking. So there is 61. And then we're doing 250 for savings. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 30, 40, 50. Perfect. So 250. All right, so we can go ahead and set this aside, and I'll make a note to go deposit this into my checking. Okay, and we'll go ahead and set this to the side because we won't be doing anything with that going forward. And then we have $100 that goes into debt envelopes. So let's see what we have for our debt envelopes. We'll probably just split this up evenly. I don't anticipate that I'll be wanting to like divide these up even more to see where those envelopes are. They might be in here. I still am trying to remember where I kept everything. All right, so it looks like I have 3 sections for debt. We have student loans, house, and credit. So we have 3. I don't want to mix these up because some of these are not in envelopes. So I want to go ahead and see. I don't think I have any more space there. I do have some space here. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just make another section. I am not all super, oh, it's so together. Oh, it's so tidy. Oh, this, that, and the other, For me, it's definitely more of a, oop, see, and this is why. Okay, here's that $100, correct? And here is for savings, correct? Okay. Let me put this up so I don't get confused. Like I said, these are not all in envelopes, so let me put this back because I definitely don't want to get confused. Okay. So we have $100 and for saving, for debt. So divide that by 3. That's going to basically be what? Like 33 a piece, I think. I want to make sure I'm doing this right. Calculator. Okay, so 100 divided by 3 is 33. And that'll leave me with an extra, I believe, $1 more. So 33 plus 33 plus 34. Perfect. Okay, one of these will get, and I think I'm going to go ahead and put that extra 34. So we're going to do student loans, we'll get 33. We're going to do credit debt, we'll get 33. And we're going to do house, getting 34. Right, now I do have on this, I keep the notes on the envelope. So we had 169 should be how much is in there. So we're going to do 169 plus 33 equals 202. Yay, we've hit $200 for our student loans. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but this is, when I'm recording this is, oh, also we may need to get change. So we'll see how that works out. We do have $3, so I don't know. Okay, 20, 40. Okay, so we need to get change for a 20. Don't know if I have change for a 20. What I might do is switch out some of these 10s to start off with at least. Okay. So now at least we've got this. All right, so we are supposed to do, so we need $7 in change. If I can get $7 in change, then we'll be okay. Perfect. So we'll do that. We'll take that and get the 40. And then we'll see if it equals that 202, which is what we're supposed to have left for this one. So let's count this one up. Move that to the side. Again, I don't want to get confused. Okay, here we go. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 1 and 2. Perfect. 202. And I'm definitely going to end up splitting these videos up. So I'll do my savings one in the next one because y'all know I don't really like my videos to run too long. So we will do that just to keep my sanity. Okay. So now we're looking at another 33. This is for house. So this is 34 actually. So we have 20, 25, 20. Okay, so we're gonna have to do the 40 again. What do we have over here? All right, so if we have 40, we're doing 34, so we need to give us $6 and change. So here's $6, we can take that 40. This one, unfortunately, I don't know how much is in there, so let's see, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100, 102, wow, yay, okay. 102 to pay towards the house. And then lastly, this should equal 33. So let's give this a count real quick. 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33. Perfect. And that will go into the debt envelope and our credit debt envelope. And we have, let's go ahead and just put that away and we will just count that out. And boom. Okay, let's see how much we have going on for debt. Credit. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90. Oops, okay. Ooh, I could feel it. I could feel the mess of the counting. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Oh, we are $1 away. We're $1 away from $100 going towards one of our credit debts. All right, so that money has been put away. Fantastic. All right, now I'm going to leave that there, and then I will see you all in just a little bit. We're going to go ahead and do our savings. And that one will probably have to go on its own page because that's going to be a lot more of dividing up than this one, because we're going to be starting with savings 250. So thanks for watching. I hope y'all are having a wonderful month, like I said, and I will see you all in our next video. Bye.